Hi everyone, thanks for watching the first domain practice. Let's go to the second domain practice for the 100%. And this is my, let's go back, dashboard. Oh no, sorry guys. Okay, now second. And okay, let's go, let's try, hit start. Start, 1, 2, 3, go. The first question is which AWS service can build a conversational interface into an application by using the voice and text and not a poly comprehend is the Amazon Alex, correct. Let's go to second question. Select the correct learning method from the following list of species. For each use case, each learning method should be selected one or more times. 0. Oh, we can select single sort, few sort. Create a product recommendation system that suggests a similar product based an example. Here the product similar based is like a single sort. Create the speech recognition system by using the 3 example of each dialogue. The speech recognition system. This is 0 sort. Implement the language translation system, 0 sort. Build a facial recognition system, single 0 sort. Okay, this is like the 3 example, right? That means few sorting learning example. Build an AI assistant that understands the specific industry terminology by using a small number of examples. This is also few. So let's go few sort. I'm 80% sure. Okay, correct. Let's go to third question. A company wants to provide employees with the chatbot that can answer the questions about the company internal confidential information. The information is currently available in the hundreds of documents across the company. Which AWS managed service should the company use to implement the chatbot solution with least operational overhead? Okay, that is very good. Amazon Q business is for the business which provide the inquiry level, right? Query levels. Let's go to confirm. Yep, Amazon Q business is a generated AI powered assistant. You can use the Amazon Q business to answer the question. Let's go to fourth questions. A company is exploring the foundations model FM to build a system solution that domain specific data. The company does not want to manage the underlying infrastructure. The company wants in-fragment protection capability. So this is directly I'm going to use this one and confirm. Let's go. A company wants to add audio generation capabilities to its book summary applications. Okay. Which AWS service provide this kind of Amazon Poly? Yep, because whenever there is a audio related from the text, that is the one. And next go to 6. A company wants to implement the solution to the run semantic search with a PDF document that contains image. The company plans to extract the image from PDFs, analyze the image for contextual information, and then use the information to perform the semantic searches. This is the embedding technology within that, so that's it. A data scientist wants an AI coding component that can use the Amazon Service Studio to provide the code suggestions. Here the code suggestion, code means that developers, right? That is my understanding. Let's go to the another question. Question number 8 is a financial company pre-trained its own large language model LM on the proprietary data which AWS service can the company used the deploy the LLM. Okay. A financial company pretend its own large language model LLM on proprietary data. This is not lax, not comprehend. Amazon says maker. This is the correct one. I am 80% sure. A company wants to use the natural language query to simplify the creation of a business intelligence, that is the queues in quick site. Confirm. What is the limitation of a generative AI when applied to the business problem solving? Lack of scalability, no inability to apply the large data, generation of the bias outputs, and limited business use cases. Continue. A company created an AI chatbot that answers the employees' questions. Some employees report that the generated response do not make sense based the question is. That is look like hallucination to company because of underlying hallucinations occur when the large language model LLM generates the answer but the response do not make a sense in the context of the prompt. A company wants to deploy, fine-tune and evaluate the pre-trained modules. This is the keywords. The company wants to use the popular model hubs such as Hugging Face for its generative AI platform. Which solution will meet the required with the least operational overhead? A company wants to deploy a fine-tune. I am go with this one, jump start. Let's go. Okay, now this is challenging questions. Okay, I have three options. Select the correct AWS service from the following list for each use cases. Each AWS service should be selected one time. Select only one. Selected one time only. Select all three. That means Amazon SageMaker AI, Amazon Bedrock, Party-Rock. Okay. Use a pre-trained generative AI model through the API calls without managing any infrastructure. Okay, that is called Bedrock. Build an application that are powered by the generative AI without using code. Party-Rock. Train and deploy the custom model by writing code in notebook environment. That is called SageMaker AI. This continue. Yep. Now a company needs to identify the generative AI model that can interpret the context from an image. That is called multi-model model. Continue. Last 15 questions. A company wants to use the AI to improve the business operations. Okay. The company wants to begin to explore the foundation model that fit the specific use cases. Okay. Which solution meet this requirement with the least operational effort? Develop a new FM. Use established natural language processing model that deploy the Amazon EC2 instance. Select the FM using the Bedrock. FM using the Amazon SageMaker Zombie. I'm going with the Tune Maker, right? Wants to improve the business. The company wants to begin to explore this. Oh no, that's called a D, huh? Select the FM using the Bedrock. So that's the one. Continue. So I got 93%. That's fine. Thank you very much for watching this one. So give me some break and we will start. Thank you very much.